And with so many airlines going bankrupt, you might be worried about your summer travel plans. Could be tough out there. 7 on your side's Michael Finney is here with some advice for us.
It seems like there are more downs than ups when it comes to flying these days. Several Bay Area consumers thought they were protected with travel insurance or through their credit cards, then found out it can be a lot more difficult than they thought to get a refund if an airline goes under, and that's when we stepped in to help. Ron and Nancy Whitman of Benicia couldn't wait to get back to Hawaii.
Kauai is so beautiful. The flowers and the gardens.
Last fall, they used the reward points on Nancy's credit card to book a flight for next month on Aloha Airlines.
The gardens called Aina Kai that are just breathtaking with all their colors.
But of course, Aloha isn't going anywhere these days. Neither is the Hawaiian carrier ATA. Out of the blue, both airlines shut down, stranding hundreds of passengers in Hawaii and hundreds more here.
The reservations were paid for, and we're sitting here without tickets.
At first, Nancy thought she could use her reward points on a different airline, but no way. Her bank said those points were gone.
They purchased the tickets, that they were out the money.
And the bank wouldn't get her back. A few miles away, Steve and Pat Yasuda were fuming too.
You're looking at $1,300, $1,400, down the toilet.
They were supposed to fly Aloha in July, and when the airline went bankrupt, they thought they were covered by their travel insurance. Boy, were they surprised.
Your flight protection in case something happens. And they said, well, you're not covered for that.
It turned out the policy they bought from Expedia.com covers losses from injury, sickness, death, even being hijacked, but not airline bankruptcy.
And so we were a little shocked when we were told, well, you're not covered.
Their Chase credit card would not refund the airfare either because Expedia had booked the trip and could challenge the refund.
It sounded like we were going to lose everything. If the travel is just so bad and you can't depend on anybody, then I'll just let it go.
It got so frustrating that I contacted Seven on your side, on our side now.
Nancy and Ron contacted us too. We called Nancy's bank, Simmons First National Bank of Arkansas. The bank had already paid for Nancy's ticket, but agreed to seek reimbursement, and it restored all of Nancy's reward points. For the Yasudas, we contacted Expedia, and the company said it would not dispute the refund. Chase did credit the couple for the full airfare. Travel attorney Al Analik said these cases reflect turbulent times for airline customers.
We've had more bankruptcies all in a row, and we're going to have more as the summer travel comes on.
He says consumers should get travel insurance that does cover bankruptcies.
There were so many of them who talked to us that said they thought they had insurance, not realizing that they had to get hijacked or they had to get run over for it to kick into effect.
And once you go, make sure to have fun.
And get some sun and try some food and maybe go to a luau and then, sit on the beach.
Can't beat all that, And the Mai Tais are still great.
Before you choose an airline, you may want to consult a good travel agent. Many times they're privy to insider information, and they'll know which airlines are having financial troubles, which ones you may want to avoid. Now, for more information on travel and refunds, go to our website at abc7news.com. There on the left-hand side of the screen. Click 7 on your side.
Good information.
Good advice. Thanks, Michael. Sure.